Hey guys, it's 12 o'clock here. Welcome back to another episode of Just the Tip. Today I'm going to share something that I always forget to share when I got the bike apart. In this particular case, we're talking about the swing arm bolt. This will work for any kind of bolt. On the big bike, the rear motor mount is actually the swing arm bolt. It's kind of tight when I'm trying to take this motor out, and if you've watched any of my vlogs, you know, unfortunately, I seem to do that a lot. But anyway, this is a little trick that I use. If you have a bolt, let's say you get the bolt all the way, you know, you get it out to like right here. Maybe your punch won't reach in or something, you know, or you don't want to mess this bolt up with a punch. Or maybe, you know, your punch only goes to like right here and it still won't come out. Find a wrench. This one actually might be a little big for this particular bolt. Set it on there and then slide it. And this actually works as kind of a slide hammer. They actually make a tool that's called a slide hammer, but this is not really that at all. When I slide that, it catches the edge of the head of the bolt. Now this one's loose, but this works when you're doing something that's, you know, super tight. You can slide this along here and really hit it and knock the bolt out. If it's still tight and it still won't come out, let's say you get it to like right here and you don't really have a lot of leverage and you can't really do much with it. If you can get the hammer behind there, then do that. If you can't, then you can just take a screwdriver or something and give it some pressure there. Just be careful what you're prying on, obviously. Slide this back and forth and it works like a slide hammer and it takes that bolt out. Well, that's it, guys. This is 12 o'clock. Remember, can't guarantee your work. This is just the tip.